Hello friends, today I will show you how you can install Ubuntu 24.04.1 Novel Numbet on Oracle VirtualBox on the Windows system. So first of all, you have to download the 64-bit AMD 64 desktop image. I have already downloaded the image and it is here and the size is around 6 GB. Next, you have to start the Oracle VirtualBox and click on new and go to the export mode. Type Ubuntu 24.04.1 and click next. Then I am going to increase the RAM to 5 to 8 GB and I am going to increase the CPU to 4. I am going to place the VM file in this directory. Next, next, and then finish. Go to the settings and into the storage, select the image, select the Ubuntu 24.04.1 desktop AMD 64 ISO, open and then click OK. Now start the machine. You can see it is getting started. Select this option, try or install Ubuntu, and just enter. Now the installation is going to start. Now we can proceed with the installation. Select English and click next. Click next. And select the install Ubuntu. Click next. I will select the install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi. Download and install support for additional media format. Select these two options and click next. The installation is in progress and we will wait for the installation to complete. It is asking for erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click next. Enter your user and the password. Click next. I am in India, so I selected this. Click next. And finally click on the install. Now the installation is started and You can click here to see the installation details. Fast, free, and full of new features. The latest version makes computing easier than ever. Whether you are a developer, creator, gamer, or administrator, you can use the Ubuntu 24.04. Developed with the best of open source softwares. Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS is installed successfully and it is ready to use. We have to restart now. Click on restart. So you can see now it is restarting. Press enter. Now the system is restarted and I can log in. So this is the nice interface of Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. Click next. Click next. Click next and then finish. Next, we are going to update the system. System is updated. Next, I will show you how you can install the. Next, I will show you how we can install the guest edition image. We will go here and select devices and insert get guest edition images. Auto run and run as program. Enter the password. We need to install the bzip2. It is installed. Next, we'll again try to run this. Run as program and enter the password. it is asking for installing the yeah, it's asking to install the it is asking for please install the GCC make Perl packages for from your distribution. So I will see the command for installing this. So this is the command to install the GCC make Perl packages. So first we need to run sudo apt get update. Then run this command sudo update sudo apt get install build essential GCC make Perl and dk ms. Installation is in still progress. Yeah, this is installed, and we can now run the guest edition ss file. So it is installed successfully. And next, we should enable the clipboard bidirectional and drag and drop bidirectional. So we are done with the installation steps. Now we can restart the Ubuntu or VM. So we have successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS on Oracle VirtualBox. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.